Hello friends, I am Hani Jain and I am making this video to improve your and my knowledge about our Iron Man Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was born on 31 October 1875. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, popularly known as Sardar Patel, was an Indian politician. He served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. He was an Indian barrister and a senior leader of the Indian National Congress who played a leading role in the country's struggle for independence and guided its integration into a united independent nation. In India and elsewhere, he was often called Sardar. Sardar meaning chief in Hindi, Urdu, and Persian language. He acted as Home Minister during the political integration of India and the Indo-Pakistani War of 1947. He was Home Minister of India from 15 August 1947 to 15 December 1950. He had died at the age of 75 in Bombay, Maharashtra, India. The cause of the death was heart attack. His spouse name was Jhawarben Patel. Patel was born in Nadiad and raised in the countryside of the state of Gujarat. He was a successful lawyer. He subsequently organized peasants from Kheda, Varsad and Bardoli in Gujarat in non-violent civil disobedience against the British Raj, becoming one of the most influential leaders in Gujarat. He was appointed as the 49th President of Indian National Congress, organizing the party for elections in 1934 and 1937, while promoting the Quiet India movement. As the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of India, Patel organized relief efforts for refugees fleeing to Punjab and Delhi from Pakistan and worked to restore peace. He led the task of forging a united India, successfully integrating into the newly independent nation those British colonial provinces that had been allocated to India. Besides those provinces that had been under direct British rule, approximately 565 self-governing princely states has been released from British sovereignty by the Indian Independence Act of 1947. Patel persuaded almost every princely state to accede to India. His commitment to national integration in the newly independent country was total and uncompromising, earning him the sobriquet Iron Man of India. He is also remembered as the patron saint of India's civil servants. For having established the modern All India service system, he is also called the Unifier of India. The Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue, was dedicated to him on 31 October 2018, which is approximately 102 meters 597 feet in height. The location of statue is Narmada Valley, Kevadia Colony, Narmada District, Gujarat, India. The visitors is approximately 2.8 million till now. It is designed by Ram B. Sutar. It is made with steel framing reinforced by concrete and a brass coating. The total spending money on this statue is 2989 crore. I will get back to you soon. Bye bye friends.